I love petunias. Gonna be so nice, guys. Can have pretty things now. Thanks, honey. Alright, guys. It is time to get the composted dirt into the flower bed. So here we go. Turn it a little. Yeah, you're gonna hit the deck. Still a little too close. Woo! You're good. You're good. Yeah, you're good. It made it. Good, you're good, you're good.
Full of crapple.
You are full of crap.
This trailer's full of crap.
Not as much as you are.
Doesn't smell bad. Does it, or am I just not?
No, but it's probably been sitting for 2 or 3 years.
There we go. Now we're getting into some good stuff. I easily take 3 loads. I would never get it up the hill.
We're pushing it with 2. Alright, guys.
Did the camera die?
I don't know when the camera ran out.
The camera died and we brought the tractor in and dumped it all in here.
I know it was working when you moved it, but I don't know how much.
Yeah. Guys, there's 2 tractor scoopfuls.
So it's about 2/3.
I think 1 more would do it. We'll see you after 1 more if we want to go get a 3rd one.
So we're gonna go get 1 more load tomorrow. And plant all my veggies. So that's it for tonight. We're gonna shower and get cleaned up and...
I don't think I need a shower.
Well, then you're not sleeping in the bed next to me. Where are you sleeping? Are you sleeping out here?
Just shoveled 2,000 or 3,000 pounds of cow poop.
So that's it for the night. We'll pick up tomorrow. Yep, you're good. Alright guys, we are getting more cow stuff and Scout is losing his mind. There's cows, dogs, what? Is there so much going on, huh? What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Hey, hey, hey. It's okay. What is outside? Look at the cows. Huh?
all loaded up. Got another thing that should fill our. This should fill our garden beds perfectly fine. So let's hope we can get this one up there too. So you're gonna shovel this one by yourself? All right. All right, guys, let's get rolling. Let's get back to the property.
Hi there, boy.
How's the deck?
Deck's good. You got lots of room.
How's the deck?
Good. You got lots of
All right, guys, today is the day. We have a bunch of stuff that Jen planted about a month ago, and it's in the little mini greenhouse inside the cabin. And we did pick up a few extra veggies. Peppers, I don't think any of our peppers took or grew that Jen planted. So we have a lot of peppers. I bought jalapenos, Hungarian waxes. I bought some sweet peppers, stuff like that. So we only got about a half a flat of veggies and then a flat and a half of flowers to add to the stuff that Jen planted about a month ago. So it'll fill in. Don't worry about it. Thank you.
Good job, sir.
Yo.
Look at all that beautiful dirt, Dave. So now we get to plant. And then hopefully we get some rain here in Michigan. It's been a very dry spring so far. It's not rained much. They say it's supposed to be a dry summer, so that means it's gonna be rough for us. Alright guys, we got a variety of peppers and variety of some peppers and some tomatoes, right? And some cucumbers and some cilantro. Cilantro for street tacos. Over here we have everything I planted in the greenhouse. Time to get it all on the ground and then water it and pray for rain. Like here?
Yeah.
How do
Just plant them in 2 rows, kind of boom, 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 like.
there's 4 in a pack, so
Yeah.
thought these were only like 1 pack.
There's only, there's 8. So I would do like boom, boom. One here. Peppers can lean on each other, so.
You don't need tons of.
Literally just put my hand in cow shit.
Our third foray into gardening, so let's see if this year it works. First year we got some small peppers and tomatoes and stuff. Last year we got nothing. We're trying something different this third year and seeing if it works. We've tried something different each year. This is what the pups do while we work all day, right? You'll nap? You'll nap? You're happy to take puppy naps though, aren't you? They hold down fort here in the cabin. Alright guys, so got all these wildflowers I planted that were growing, so we're going to get these in the ground too. See what they end up being. This is going to be the flower bed. The veggie bed's over there. This one's going to be all flowers.
Water, a lot of it.
Alright, you can go get some more if you have to. Right?
That's the one, is that?
That's a delphinium. How does that feel good? Guys, I watered the plant and it's dripping at him and he don't even care. Does that feel so good? What does every good movie need? Popcorn. So let's try this out. I'm taking this pan, I'm gonna put some popcorn kernels in it and cover it up and stick it on the grill and see what happens. Worst that happens is we have no popcorn. Best that happens is we have some popcorn.